Okay, today we had another Radicon in for repair. This one needed a lot of stuff. I think we've got it working. Got the transmitter here. You can see the pilot light is on in the chest. I'm going to go ahead and push the transmit button. It should go forward. If I push it again, it should turn to the left. If I push it again, it should go straight. Push it again, turn to the right, and try to keep it in frame. And if I push it again, it goes straight. If I push it again, it should stop. So if you didn't notice, you have, besides the turning ear there, in the long antenna, I had to make this replacement. It has to be the right length. And the eyes should flash, so I'll turn it on again and have it come straight towards the camera, so maybe you can see some of those things. So you can see that's turning. Is that in frame? There, the top of the antenna is in frame. And I'll shut it down. But there's your Radicon Robot and your 6 steps that the sequencer goes through. 3D cells. And another happy customer.